One of my favourite things about studying film at QUT is all the creative freedom we get throughout this course. I'm currently in my third year, final semester, and I'm producing a short film that's a drama comedy, and I'm very excited about it.
I'm in the final year of my BFA in film, and the quality of the teaching here is absolutely amazing. All the teachers are world-class industry professionals with experience in emerging areas like virtual production.
One of the best things about studying film at QUT has been being able to go overseas to the Cannes Film Festival and seeing how the ABC actually buys and sells their properties to international markets, as well as, of course, experiencing those diverse cultures for myself.
I'm in the final year of my Bachelor of Fine Arts, and the thing about studying film at QUT is that you get to collaborate not only with other film students, but with other disciplines such as music, dance, drama, and animation.
So in my first year, I got to meet some really cool industry people and ended up at a premiere of a film, which was really cool. And so yeah, I think just all of the industry people that you get to meet is really exciting. So I'm kind of getting ready to go out into the industry next year. And for me, that's why I think QUT is a great place to study film.
Gonna hit the ground running.
What makes QUT a great place to study film? Honestly, for me, it's been access to some incredible facilities. 24-hour edit labs, an industry-ready TV studio, lots of awesome, expensive equipment you can get your hands on. It's things like that are why I tell everyone they should study film at QUT.
Running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running.
The best part about studying film at QUT has to be the people. The amazing experiences you get and the studio spaces are all amazing, but getting to work collaboratively with people from all different backgrounds and all different area of disciplines has to be the best thing. Now, I was lucky enough to get the opportunity to work on an amazing game show last semester called Trust Me, I'm an Expert. Hello and welcome to Trust Me, I'm an Expert, the game show where everyone's an expert in something.
Hi, I'm Ava, I'm from Singapore, and I chose QUT because I was told it's going to be a welcoming place and I could pick all the minors I wanted, and that's why I chose QUT to study film.
I chose to study at QUT because I felt like it had the perfect balance of practicality and theoretical study and education. And whereas other universities that I looked at and other courses that I looked at had one or the other more so. And I felt now, being in third year at QUT, I have the confidence to go out into the film industry in terms of my capabilities and my practical learning, but also an understanding of why the industry works the way it does and how the industry acts because of my theoretical practice. And that's why I chose to study at QUT, and I've loved it so far.
Thank you.